Wesco's patented spring-loaded Gator grip automatically locks the jaws closed on any 3/16 inch or higher drum rim. It is used to lift and transport 30, 55, and 85 gallon steel, fiber, and poly drums, even over rough floors. The Gator grip is available mounted on a fork truck attachment. The driver doesn't have to leave the seat while lifting or releasing drums. Our model EGG-1 is the single Gator grip option. EGG-2 features dual Gator grips. Lifting capacity is 1,000 pounds per Gator grip. The weight of a single unit is 126 pounds. The weight of the double unit is 208 pounds.